Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
You are a sight for sore headlights! I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mack, aku akan mengatasinya.
Some real racing out there. How'd you like to become the new face of Dynaco?
I'll go down first, so just follow me.
Okay, I got it.
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
A ribbon. I wonder who left it here.
They do it! These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's your...
Your style, eh? You drive the hard bargain. Okay, we should make you a new deal. You...
Aha, laugh it up. Real fun.
like we got some work to do.
You know, I'd love to see the rest of the town. So if you could...
Going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
Don't worry, Mama. My queen is very sad. I will be...
Going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Your license plate's gonna look real nice in my collection.
A goods train. A goods train. The shame.
Obviously an imposter. He looks old and broken down.
Hey!
With flabby tires.
I do not.
Your next stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
No lo olvides, tus frenos no te servirán aquí. Ay, relájate. Estás...
Mr. Cup winner Chick Hicks here with the racer taking the circuit by storm. Jackson Storm.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
Hey, yo, DJ! What up? We got ourselves a nodder.
And Sally, Parpanator Cake. K-I-S-S.
Dead dinosaurs, and we all know what happened to them. Alternative energy is the future.
Move!
Cruise!
I knew you had something. And now look.
Right. Hey, and
anything you want. You know, like the flame job, maybe gold flames.
And Chesco lost a lot of momentum in the dirt.
Fresh fertilizer on a field of dying grass.
¿Listos para la aventura?
Oh, yo vengo más que lista.
Sí, Ramón presente.
Sure ain't no dirt boy.
Not today, old man. I know all your tricks.
Perché devo fare sta cosa?
Cuida. Just a shake of the side.
Customers. Customers, everyone! Customers! Okay. All right, everybody calm down.
But you'll never be one of us.